How to add HBO Max to At&t account. Ensure that your At&t plan includes HBO Max or qualifies for a promotional offer that includes HBO Max. Many At&t wireless, internet, and TV plans come with HBO Max included. Visit the At&t website and sign into your account using your username and password. If you haven't registered for an online account yet, you'll need to do so first. Once logged in, navigate to the section of your account that manages your entertainment or services. Look for options related to HBO Max or streaming services. If HBO Max is already included in your plan, you may see an option to activate it. Follow the prompts to link your At&t account with HBO Max. If you haven't already, download the HBO Max app on your preferred device, smartphone, tablet, smart TV, etc. Open the HBO Max app and sign in using the same At&t credentials you used to log into your At&t account. Once signed in, you should have access to HBO Max content based on your At&t plan. Thanks for watching.